Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So if you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on YouTube. So I'm thanking you again in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, today I got a really phenomenal surprise. I got a box from this brand called Lookfantastic. They've been sending emails to me that they wanted to start sending me some boxes. As you know, I started receiving boxes from Glossybox, which is another UK company. So is Lookfantastic. The differences is that Lookfantastic, and they're all under this large company, but they're completely different companies, and they run, completely differently. Glossybox is truly a box that it is all just about the box. Lookfantastic has a website that has access to so many brands. It is phenomenal. So if you haven't had a chance to look at Lookfantastic's website, it is one that I would highly recommend. They also do a lot of not only boxes and limited edition boxes and gorgeous advent calendars and all these other types of boxes. They also do a lot of groupings from the brands. So it's a really fantastic website that it opened up my eyes to it when they reached out to me, because I always like to, whoever reaches out to me, I like to have the opportunity to look at what they're all about. And I was so impressed. I also got an email from them that they wanted to send me the October box because they were having trouble with the shipping and everything was coming late, and the same thing was happening with Glossybox. But Glossybox I already received and I posted it. Then I get an email from the Lookfantastic, and they said they apologize, but due to issues with the warehouse, they don't think I'm going to be getting the October box. And I said, that's fine. If you want to send me the November one when it's ready, that's fine too. And they wrote back that that's what they're planning on doing. However, due to a phenomenal surprise, I got this box. And by having the opportunity to watch a couple of other girls unbox this, but I watched the girls in the UK, and sometimes the products are completely different. I know with Glossybox, they're completely different. With Lookfantastic, I'm really not sure yet because I'm brand new to this box. So if you know if the UK box is different than the US box or anything like that, please share that in the comments down below. But they're also very generous, where they send different deals every month in reference to getting this box. So I will look those up and I will share those in the comments down below, in the description box down below. So if you're interested in this box, I will try to find the best deals for it, and I will leave those links in the description box down below. All right, so let's go through everything about this box. And as you know, on my channel, what I do is I open up the box prior to take off any packaging or remove any of safety seals if there are any, and just make sure that everything that's in the box should be in the box, there's no damages. And then I take a picture for Instagram, which my name there is True Wants with the number 2. If you're not following me there, you're missing out, because I do share other content there that I think you would be interested in if you're interested in what I share with you on YouTube. So what I want to share with you just from first impressions on this is the box alone is stunning. These are definitely keepsake boxes, and I've only received this, I think, one time before, and that box also blew me away just on the actual outside box. These are definitely giftable boxes. They are so beautiful. They're very sturdy, and these are ones that I've been keeping and storing things in. They also come beautiful inside as well. They come with those little crinklies and beautifully tissue wrapped with this LF, which stands for Lookfantastic. They also come with a beautiful brochure, and I mean like a magazine brochure. And it has the information in reference to the products, which I will use to share that with you. But it also has other information that if you're a person that loves makeup and skincare, but you want to know a little bit more, they have all these other articles. They have ones about aloe vera. They have the spa bath at home. They have, how you can treat yourself. you know, fantastic, fantastic. And then they give a hint of what can possibly be in with one product in the following month. But like I said, I'm not sure if what's in the UK versus the US is any different. But like I said, this really impresses me. And the last one, I treated it like a magazine after I finished doing the review on here with you guys, the unboxing. And I really, really enjoyed it, and I'm continuing to learn, as we all do, because technology changes, ingredients change, and that's why I love getting the beauty magazines, and this I'm treating solely the same as a beauty magazine. All right, so they have on the first page here this gorgeous picture of what's in the box. There's a couple of brands that I'm familiar with, but I have not tried these products yet. And two of them are, the two brands are ones that I highly, highly recommend. So I am so happy that somehow this October box made it to True Wands and I'm able to share it with you guys. So also, if you're interested in this box, because of all these shipping delays and this is of interest to you, definitely when we're finished, check on the website if it's still available, as well as you can always contact customer service to tell them that you're still interested in the October box. All right? Okay, so let's get started. So I have my brochure open to the page where all the items are, and let's go through them one at a time. The first item here is from this brand called Dr. Botanicals, and this is a brand that I have enjoyed every product that I have tried from this brand. It says what this is, it's an ultra restorative mask that helps protect against effects of external aggressors by providing your skin with an antioxidant boost. It's powered by a potent botanical ingredient. It has a creamy texture mask that helps to plump the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and brighten up our complexion. They're saying there is turmeric root powder in here, lavender, as well as sea buckthorn. And simply how to use this, you apply to the problem areas and simply wash off to leave your skin feeling softer and brighter. So that is a mask. So the amount of time that you leave it on, what I'm gonna do is see if there's more information on the back here, which I will do afterwards because it's a really, really fine print. And then that is what this looks like here. And there is no real scent to this. So like I said to you, when I've had the opportunity to try other products from Dr. Botanicals, I definitely saw results, and their scents are usually scrumptious. This, to me, didn't have a scent. The next item in here is something that I'm seeing in a lot of boxes all of a sudden, and these are scrunchies. And I enjoy scrunchies so much, and I'm so happy that they're back in vogue now, but they are fantastic to take if you have long hair like me. You're able to do so many different styles with this to get it off your face, but they're also nice because you can wear them on your wrist, and then when you want to put your hair up, you can. It says, add some sunshine to your life with this pair of perfect scrunchies. It's perfect for throwing up your hair into a ponytail or styling a ballet bun or the top knot. These scrunchies are the must-have essentials for every woman's beauty bag. And it simply says, thread your hair through with a fuss-free solution. The design of these scrunchies means less damage to your hair. And they're these gorgeous silky fabric, and it has the yellowed, which I don't have any in this color, so really happy about that. The next item in here is a brand that I'm not that familiar with. This one is from this brand called Kingsley. It says it's a bond builder split end remedy. It says this is the perfect remedy for your split ends, shielding healthy hair against heat damage and UV rays. It is a lightweight formula that revives your hair, leaving it more voluminous and healthy looking. It has a green tea leaf extract and castor oil. It says how to use, run a small amount through your hair from your root to your tips. For best results, blow dry into your desired style, or alternatively, leave to air dry. You can reapply at least every third wash. Wow. Okay, so this I'm gonna have to read also a little bit more about. There were no safety seals on any of the products that I opened up, but I always like to, this has a very fresh scent, to see what the products are all about. So I like to do these little swatches. Even though it's a hair product, I still want to see what the consistency feels like and how heavy it is. And it doesn't feel that sticky, and it doesn't feel that heavy either. So excited about the opportunity to try this. And like I said, the print on when you get these sample sizes are so tiny that I always like to know, like, this one is made in the UK. So really interested that we're getting to learn about so many new products, because this is a UK brand of a box, and then we're getting the opportunity to see where the products are from. So always excited about that. So always like to have the magnifier, and if you're not familiar with this, you must be new to my channel because this is from one of our True Wants Needed bags. Actually, we had it in a couple, but we also have it on our Improving Lifestyle website. So if you're interested in this, make sure to check in the description box down below for the links for that. The next item in here is the one that I cannot wait, and I'm so excited. This is this brand called Rituals. And if you haven't had the opportunity to try anything from this brand, it is phenomenal. It's taking everything in me not to purchase the advent calendar from this brand, because everything that I have tried from this brand I have really enjoyed, and I want to try everything from their brand. This one is called the Rituals of Melhr, M-E-H-R. They're saying this is a loving body cream. The scent that I have that I enjoy so much is one of their cherry blossom scents. This one is the quest for smoother looking, just become a little bit easier. It is a buttery smooth formula that boosts absorption and helps to provide the illusion of a more supple airbrush complexion. This has sweet orange, cedar wood, and sunflower seed oil. I cannot wait to smell this. This says it is a super rich formula that is ideal for everyday use and to simply apply to your skin and allow time to soak in. All right, let's see what this is about. And like I said, nothing had a safety seal, so it was easy to just unpackage this box. And oh yeah, that smells so nice. Oh, you can smell actually the actual, like independently, you can actually smell the sweet orange in here as well as the cedar. That is beautiful. It has like a spicy scent to it. Really excited about that. Like I said, when I saw Rituals was in this box, when I opened it up, I was ecstatic. The next brand is one that I also got introduced, and I think it was either through Glossy, I'm pretty sure it was through Glossy Box. This is a brand now that is on my radar. I had the opportunity to try their serum, and it was in a sample size. And with the sample sizes, I always tell you what's great about them is you won't see your long-term results, but what you will see is if your skin likes the product and if you enjoy the feel of it, the consistency of it, and things like that. And then when you have the chance to try it in the sample size, and then you get to see a deal on the full size of it, then you're able to enjoy the full size knowing that you've already tried it. And the serum now is on my wants list because I've had the opportunity to try the serum, and it lasted me, it was a small tube, but it lasted me at least a couple of weeks. And I was really impressed with this brand. So this brand is now on my radar, and it's called Filorga, F-I-L-O-R-G-A. This is a new product. This one says this is to me. This is the magical moisturizing face cream that delivers an instant burst of hydration to your complexion. It says use over a period of time. The long-term effects of this cream will enhance the overall appearance of your skin. And I definitely feel this is ingredient-driven brand as well as result-driven. And this has hyaluronic acid in it, and it has the L enzyme. And it says simply to use it, apply it all over your face and your neck in the morning and the evening before bed. And I like sometimes when there is, you're able to use it, it's not too heavy for the morning and it's not overly heavy for the night like a sleeping mask. So really excited about the opportunity to try that. So let's see what this looks like. It is a white cream. There is no scent to this, but I'm still smelling the fantastic scent from the previous body lotion. Yeah, and that's what that looks like there. There is a bit of a scent to it. It has, to me, a slight rose scent, but I mean slight, because I'm not a girl that loves the scent of rose in her skincare. And I have somebody that, you know, doesn't mind it, and they end up with all my products that when I can't handle the rose scent, I pass those on. So those are, it's one that I'm going to definitely have the opportunity to try because the scent is not overpowering. And then this product in here was in the box as well. It's a lot of products and a lot of new. So these are all a lot of new brands to me, as well as this one is made in Denmark. So we're getting to see a whole other world through this box. So this says it is the powerful formula that is kind to your skin. It helps to restore moisture to your epidermis, combining a smooth mixture of aloe vera and vitamin E. This is a gel cleanser for your pores from deep down, leaving your skin smoother and more refreshed. This has aloe vera in it, as well as vitamin E and cucumber. And it says simply to apply the gel to your palms of your hands, massage into the product into your face and neck and your décolleté, and then rinse using warm water. So this is a gel formula. So let's just see, it has a pump here. Let's just see if this has a locking mechanism to it. Yeah, so you just have to take it and push it to the other side to get it to come out. And that is what the formula looks like there. The scent to this is more, you can almost smell like if the scent like of a green tea. It seems to me like that's the type of scent to this, but very refreshing. And it has a bit of a, more of a mineral scent to it. I wish I can explain this better. Yeah, it has a scent to me that I've smelt before, but it's not one that I can pinpoint right now to you know, express it on film here for you. All right, so that is what everything looks like on my skin. So we got a beautiful box, a lot of new products for me to have the opportunity to try. So we have something here for the mask for Dr. Botanicals. We have these cute scrunchies. We have this fantastic body lotion and a new scent to me from Rituals. We have this new brand from the UK to me, this Kingsley. And for all my girls that are over in the UK that you watch my channel, please share with me more about this brand in the comments so we can learn about the brands from you guys. And then a brand that I'm telling you is one to keep your eyes open for, Filorga. And then another new brand to me here as well. So really excited to have the opportunity to share this October box. Like I said, make sure to check in the description box down below. I will leave links and pricing. I try to find the best deal for you guys all the time when these boxes are sent to me. And thank you so much to Lookfantastic for taking a chance on a smaller channel and having us have the opportunity to learn more about you and your boxes. So once again, thank you to Lookfantastic, and we'll see you all soon in the next video. So make sure, comments down below if you're getting this box, if you're interested in this box. And like I said, any of the products, if you've had the opportunity to try, please share that in the comments down below for all of us. All right, take care everybody, stay well.